Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your email address on Janitor AI. So let's dive into the video right away. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. Go to the URL box and type in janitorai.com and press enter on your keyboard. Also make sure to log into your Janitor AI account by entering your correct credentials. From the main home page, click on your profile picture appearing at the top right corner. In the pop-up below, click on Profile. Scroll down and click on the Update Email option. Your current email will be displayed at the top. To change to a new email address, type in the new email address you'd like to change to in the text box and click on Send Verification Email. You will then receive an email verification link sent to your new email address. Go ahead and open the new email inbox and click Open the email from Janitor AI. Now, open up the email and click on Change Email option and you will be able to change to a new email address. Next time you log in using your email, make sure to type in the newly changed email address for logging into Janitor AI. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.